Joe from StayFitAnywhere, where I help you move better so you can live better, no matter where you want to exercise. So in my last video, it was all about doing isometric exercises. So I gave you a variety of different isometric holds that you can start building strength, especially for beginners, and especially if you haven't been doing any type of weight training or strength training in the last little while. And as you start to get older, it's really important that you keep your muscles nice and strong, your joints nice and strong, so you can hopefully help prevent pain. Because let's face it, when I'm waking out of bed and I'm stiff and I'm like, oh my god, what the heck is going on with my body? I don't want to feel like that for the rest of my life. So I want to make sure that my joints, my body, my muscle, they're all feeling nice and strong so I can continue to do the things that I love doing. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you an isometric upper body workout you can do easily at home without any type of equipment. So it's all body weight. So there's no excuses of, I don't have the right piece of equipment, or I can't hit to the gym, because you can virtually do this anywhere. You don't even need a lot of room, just a small little space. It could be a little space right beside your bed. You can use that. You can use that small area for these exercises. And after you've tried them out, hit me up with the comments below. Let me know how it feels, because I really want to know if this is effective for you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know when I upload my next video. This exercise is called the bat wing. You can either do this on the wall or on a couch or any elevated surface. So all you want to do is pinch your shoulders and elbows back, brace your midsection, and lean back to support your weight and your elbows against the couch or the wall. It's a great exercise to strengthen the middle of your back and the muscles of your upper back to help with the pulling posture. This exercise is the push-up bottom position hold. You want to hold yourself at the very bottom position for about 10 to 30 seconds. You'll really isolate your pectoral muscles up around your chest and your triceps and shoulders. This one is a diamond push-up bottom hold. So similar to the push-up hold, you're going to be putting your hands into a diamond position and lowering yourself and holding at the bottom state. You want to do this for about 10 to 30 seconds for as long as you can. You'll be isolating your pectorals in a different way along with your triceps and your shoulders. This exercise is called the prayer squeeze. It's another one to isolate the pectorals, the chest muscles. You have your hands close together and you're pushing the palms against each other as hard as you can and squeezing for at least 30 seconds. This exercise is an isometric fist squeeze. You'll be hitting the biceps and your forearms. So you're going to be squeezing as hard as you can. You want to hold this squeeze for about 30 seconds to a minute. This exercise is your tricep kickback hold. When you're extending your arms straight, you want to squeeze the tricep as hard as you can and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise is a combination of a shoulder front raise and a shoulder side raise. You want to be squeezing your hands into a fist as hard as you can. Slowly raise it up while you're contracting all the way through your shoulders. You can raise your arms higher for extra difficulty when you're raising it from the front or on the sides. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds or as long as you can. It's a great exercise to build that stability strength around your shoulder joint. So these upper body isometric exercises may seem trivial and may seem simple because you're just holding that movement, but what you really want to do is contract your muscles, pretend that you're actually holding a very heavy weight, and that's how you're going to get those contractions happening, and you will be flexing and you can feel your muscles pumping and the blood flowing. That's the feeling you want to have when you're doing these isometric exercises. It's not about using extra weights, or it's not about doing all these extra repetitions. It's about contracting those muscle fibers over a duration of time. That's why these exercises are great for beginners, great for if you're just coming back into working out again, great for you and I that are getting up in age and we want to maintain some body strength when we don't have time to do a full-length workout using dumbbells, kettlebells, or any other type of equipment. there you go, exercises for isometric holds for your upper body. So you can easily build that strength without any equipment and in the comfort and safety of your own home. Use these exercises, start changing up your regular routine if you're already doing one. If you're not, start implementing this into your strength training routine and start slow. This is really going to help you build that strength safely. And yeah, my next video is going to be lower body isometric holds, so get ready for that. But for now, here's some more videos you can check out.